Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are looking at BuddyPress Post from Anywhere, a free BuddyPress plugin by Webcom Designs that you can download directly from WordPress.org. So by default, BuddyPress only let members post update from the activity tab in their profile. But with this plugin, you can add an activity post form to any page of your site, whether it's a landing page, blog post, course page, or sidebar. So let's check it out. You can download the plugin from here, or you can directly go to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugin and click on add plugin. Here you can simply search the plugin name. And you can install it from here. For now, I am uploading the plugin. Click install. Click on activate plugin. So once the plugin is activated, there are no complicated settings. The magic comes from the shortcode we will use next. So this plugin uses a simple shortcode. This shortcode. You can add this shortcode anywhere in pages, posts, widgets, or even inside your theme template. When someone visits that page, they will see the BuddyPress post form right there. So let's create a dedicated page. Name it post and update. Now paste the shortcode here. Then click on publish. Publish the page. Now let's view the page. So we have now a fully working activity post form without editing template files. So when a logged in member visits this page, they will see this familiar post box, including their avatar and text area. They can type their updates here just like on the default WordPress activity screen. They can directly share it to their profile, or if a user belongs to any group, they will also see an option to choose where to post, to their profile or to any specific group they are part of. This flexibility let members engage directly from wherever they are on your site. So let's post this activity and see how it's look on the activity page. Now let's go to activity page. Here is the activity which we have created from different page. Now let's try to create post form on any existing page. Go to pages and click on all pages. choose any page. For now I'm choosing shop page. Click edit. Then paste the short code here. Then click save. Now let's view the page. Here you can see the post form is on the shop page. You can also post update from this page. The post form is fully responsive, so it looks great on mobile or tablet devices too. Nothing extra to configure. And that's how easy it is to let your members post activity from anywhere on your site. With BuddyPress post from anywhere, whether you want more engagement or strategic placement of your post form, this plugin makes it simple. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.